Hello students, today we are going to start next chapter, chapter number 6, linear inequality. So definitions of inequality I already written on the board. So definition is two real numbers or two algebraic expressions related by the symbols. You all know that about the real numbers and algebraic expressions. So if we relate them by some symbols, then we form an inequality. So you all know that suppose we have a real number 3. 3 we know that 3 is less than 7. 5 is greater than 2. So these are the inequalities. If we put these signs greater than, less than, greater than equal to, and less than equal to. 3 less than 7, 5 less than 2. These are known as numerical inequality. Numerical inequalities. And if we use some variables, 2x plus 3 greater than 7, greater than 8, 4x plus 3 less than equal to 3. These are known as literal inequalities. Because these type of inequalities can change on the value of the variables. And you all know about the terms linear. You studied up to the class 10th linear equation, quadratic equations. So here we are talking about linear equation. Linear equation is an equation having degree 1. Suppose we have 2x plus 7 is equal to 0. So this equation gives the two values and x is equal to minus 7 by 2. So in equations we can get a two solutions. These equation will be satisfied at the value of x. When we put value of x is equal to minus 7 over 2, then these two types of equations are known as linear equation, because it is satisfied on this value. Left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. But in case of inequalities, we cannot satisfy them on a particular point or exactly at one point. So this type of inequalities, we have some other types of inequalities. ax plus b less than 0. ax plus by plus c less than 0. These types of inequalities are known as strict inequalities. Strict inequalities. And the inequalities which are of this type, you can take some other examples. 2x plus 7 greater than equal to 0. 4x plus 5y plus 3 less than equal to 0. These type of inequalities are known as slave inequalities. Inequality, because the value obtained from these type of equations is only greater than at the given points, but here it may be equal to, maybe equal or greater than equal to the that point. These are the only some basic concept of this chapter. before starting the exercise 6.1, please pause the video to note it down. So before starting exercise 6.1, so let's summarize rules to solve an inequalities. So first rule is equal numbers may be added to or subtracted from both sides of an inequality without affecting the sign of the inequality. When we can add or subtract both sides of an inequality without affecting the sign. Means sign does not change when we add or something subtract from each side of the inequality. So second rule is both sides of inequalities can be multiplied or divided by the same positive number. तो दोनों साइड की इक्वालिटी को we can multiply or divided by same positive number. But when we multiplied or divided both sides by a negative number, then keep in mind that the sign of inequality must be reversed. तो जो sign है inequality का that will be changed. If the inequality sign is greater than, then it will be changed to less than. So I think it is clear to all of you. So now I am going to take question number 1 of the exercise 6.1. So question number 1 is solve 24x less than 100. We have to solve this equation inequalities when x is a natural number. So start 24x less than 100. So as we know the rules of inequalities, we can here dividing both sides by same number 24x over 24 less than 100 over 24. So it will be x less than 100 over 24. So it will be 4 6 4 25. So x less than 25 over 6. 25 over 6 means up you can divide it. You know that the whole natural number will be 4 only. So x is satisfied. So in this case, question number 1 is कि x is a natural number, means less than 24 over 6 means 24 over x के नीचे 25 over x के नीचे पीछे जो है लेस देन कितने नेचुरल नंबर है दैट विल बी 1 2 3 4 बिकॉज़ 4 से आगे का है 25 over 6. तो फर्स्ट केस आ जाएगा 1 2 3 and 4. Second is x is an integer and you all know that about the definition of an integer. So less than 25 over 6 the integer will be x is equal to -4 -3 -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4. So I think it should be clear to all of you. So the question number second, third and fourth. Question number second, third, fourth are similar to the question number 1. You can solve it at home. If you have any problem, then you can ask me at any time. So now we are going to start next question number 5. Solve the inequalities in exercise 5 to 16 for real x. Now here we have to find the value of x. So question number 5 is question number 5 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. तो स्टूडेंट्स इट डिपेंड अपॉन यू. जब आपको पूरा प्रॉपर्ली समझ आ जाता है तो आपको ये सारा करने की यूज नहीं रहती है कि रूल्स 1 लगाना, हमने 2 लगाना है. वी कैन सिंपली अप्लाई दी रूल्स ऑफ इक्वेशंस आल्सो. तो बट हियर आई विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व 2 or 3 question more by using these rule. So first of all, 4x, we will remove these constant number 4x plus 3 minus 3 less than 5x plus 7 minus 3. So it will be 5x 4x less than 5x plus 4. Then remove this 4x minus 5x less than 5x plus 4 minus 5x. तो हमने दोनों साइड से 5x को माइनस कर दिया. It will be minus x less than 4. And now we have to multiply with the sign, negative sign. So use the rule number 2. The sign of inequality will be change reversed. So it will be x will be greater than minus 4. तो जो वैल्यू ऑफ x है that will be greater than minus 4. ठीक है. तो next question number 6 is same and question number 7 is seventh question is 3 into x minus 1 less than equal to 2x minus 3. So first of all open these brackets जैसे हम करते हैं अलजेब्रा में. 3x minus 3 less than equal to 2x minus 6. ठीक है. तो जैसे अब हम इक्वेशन में करते हैं हम वो मेथड भी लगा सकते हैं. तो पहले जो वेरिएबल का होता है कलेक्ट ऑन वन साइड 3x it will become in this side 2x less than equal to minus 6 plus 3. It will be on that side. Sign will be changed. You all know that. So it will be x less than equal to minus 3. So here the value of x will be less than equal to minus 3. So question number 8 is same. You will do at home. Next question number 8 is in question number 8. Sorry, 8 is same. Ninth question is x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11. First of all, so हम take the LCM. It will be 2 3 are 6, 6x plus 2 3 are 6, 3x plus 2x less than 11. So it will be 6 plus 3 9 plus 2 11x over 6 less than 11. So next ये यहाँ आ जाएगा 11x less than 66 and x less than 66 over 11. It will be x less than 6. So next question number 10 is same. Before starting the question number 11, pause the video to note it down. Next question number 11. These are very easy questions. Just you have to solve simple algebra here. 3x minus 6 over 5 less than equal to 10 minus 5x over 3. So now multiplying both sides by 5 less than equal to 10 minus 5x over 3 into 5. these are cancel. 3x minus 6 less than equal to 50 minus 25x over 3. Then multiplying these 3 to this side, 9x minus 18 less than equal to 50 minus 25x. Now getting the variable terms, 9x plus 25x less than equal to 50 plus 18, it will be 34 less than equal to 68, 34x, and x less than equal to 68 over 34. So value of x will be less than equal to 2. So this is the solution of this question. So question number 12, you can do it at home. 13th are also same, 12, 13 and 14. Next question number 15 is, question number 15, x over 4 less than 5x minus 2 over 3 minus 7x minus 3 over 5. So solve this inequality. X by 4 less than, here LCM will be 15, 3 5 to 15, 5 into 5x minus 2 minus 5 3 are 15, 3 into 7x minus 3, x over 4 less than, multiplying 2, 5 5 are 25x minus 10 minus 21x minus plus 3 3 are 9 divided by 15. So multiply this for 15 by this, 15x and 4, 15x over 4, it will be 25x minus 21, 4x minus 1. So 15x less than 4 into 4x minus 1, 15x less than 16 minus 4, it will be 15x minus 16x less than minus 4. So minus x multiply minus 4. Now you have to multiply by minus, then the inequality will be reversed. So it will be x greater than 4. So before starting the question number 17, pause the video to note it down. Question number 17. Question number 17 is just say, just you have to show the solution of this question on the number line. So this is same, apply same method of the equation. आप उसको माइंड में रख सकते हैं कि हमें पता है जैसे हम इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करते हैं उसी तरह से इनइक्वालिटी को भी आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. 3x minus 2x less than 1, it will be plus 2. So it will be x less than 3. X less than 3, so you can show it on number line. You know that 0, 1, 2, 3. Here will be minus negative value. So less than 3 means, तो जब आपको पता है कि नंबर लाइन को हम कैसे ग्राफ करते हैं, अगर तो हम इसको एक ब्लैक होल लगा दें, ठीक है, तो उसका मतलब होता है कि ये वैल्यू इंक्लूडेड नहीं है. तो जो लेस देन 3 मींस दिस टाइप, इस टाइप की जो वैल्यूज हैं वो क्या हो जाएगी, ये रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है x लेस देन 3। अगर हमारे पास इक्वल टू का साइन भी होता तो हम यहाँ पे इसको हमने डाल कर देना था, बस इतना सा काम है और कोई चेंज नहीं करनी है। इसको हम इस तरह से नंबर लाइन के ऊपर शो कर सकते हैं। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 एंड 19 इजी है, बहुत इजी है, ये आप खुद कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 इज, इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 x over 2 greater than equal to 5x minus 2 over 3 minus 7x minus 3 over 5. So solve it by taking LCM. X over 2 greater than equal to, LCM will be 15, 3 5s are 15, 25x minus 10, multiply this term by 5 minus 5 3 का, it will be 21x minus minus plus 3 3 का 9. So it will be x by 2 greater than equal to 25x minus 21 will be 4x minus 1 over 15. ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दो आप, 15x greater than equal to 8x minus 2 will be 15x minus 8x greater than equal to minus 2. 15x minus 8x, it will be 7x greater than equal to minus 2 and x greater than equal to minus 2 over 7, minus 2 over 7. अब आपको पता है एक नंबर लाइन ले लो, टेक लाइन 0 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and so on. It's like greater than equal to minus 2 over 7. Minus 2 over 7 means in between 0 and 1. In between 0 and 1. It may be here. So it will be minus 2 over, ये डाल कर सकते हैं इसको, minus 2 over 7. तो greater than equal to minus 2. It will be this. इस तरह से आप इसको नंबर लाइन के ऊपर रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. So next question number 21. In question number 21, Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in 2 unit tests. He got marks in 2 unit tests are 70 and 75. Find the minimum marks he should get in the third test to have an average of at least 60 marks. तो सबसे पहले let he got marks in third test. Let number 21. Let Ravi got marks in third test the X. ठीक है, तो in first two tests the average of all at least 60 marks means at least 60 marks means, so according to questions first test he got 70 average आपको पता है 70 plus 75 in second test and in third test he got X marks. The average will be divided by 3. At least mean greater than equal to 60. So solve this in practice. It will be 145 plus X over 3 greater than equal to 60. 145 plus X greater than equal to 180. X will be greater than equal to 180 minus 145 x greater than or equal to, it will be 35. So we got marks in third test will be 35. Before starting the question number 23, pause the video to note it down. Find all pair of consecutive odd positive integers, both of which are smaller than 10, such that their sum is more than 11. We have to find such pair of such odd number which are smaller than 10, and sum of that number should be more than 11. So let x be the smaller number of the two odd positive integers. Let x be the smaller of the two odd positive integers, and so that the other is x plus 2. So if 1 is the first odd number, then other will be 3. So similarly here, if we choose x is the first smaller odd number, then the other will be x plus 2. So according to questions, sum of these two numbers should be greater than 11. So add these 2x, x plus x, 2x plus 2 greater than 11, 2x greater than 11 minus 2, 2x greater than 9, x greater than 9 over 2. So greater than 9 over 2 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, तो आपको पता है ग्रेटर देन 9 over 2 मींस 4.5, तो 4.5 से ग्रेटर जो ओड नंबर होगा दैट विल बी फर्स्ट 5. सो इफ वन नंबर इज 5, अदर इज 5 plus 2 will be 7, and sum of these two 5 plus 7 is greater than 11. So next, other odd number greater than 9 over 2 and less than 10, that is 7. 7, other number is, if one number is 7, then other is 7 plus 2, that is 9, and sum of these two number is greater than 11. So required pair will be 5 7 and 7 9. So another pair will be, if we take another pair, if we take one number is 9, may be possible, but the other number will be 9 plus 2, it will be 11, but the condition is that two positive odd integers will be less than 10, so we cannot take 9. So we have only the possible required pair will be 5 7 and 7 9. Similarly, question number 24 is same, it is on even positive integer instead of odd positive integer. So next, question number 25th. The longest side of the triangle is 3 times the shorter side, and the third side is 2 centimeter shorter than the longest side. If the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61 centimeter, find the minimum length of the shortest side. So assume first, let the shorter side will be x, longest side will be 3 times the shortest side, so it will be 3x, and third side is too short than the longest side, so it will be 3x minus 2. And to know that perimeter is sum of the all three sides, which is at least 61. So x plus 3x plus 3x minus 2 greater than or equal to 61. So solve this, it will be 7x greater than or equal to 61 plus 2, 7x greater than or equal to 63, x greater than or equal to 63 over 7, 7 9 plus 63, x greater than or equal to 9. So the minimum length of shorter side be 9 centimeter. So before starting the question number 26, pause the video to note it down. Next, question number 26 is, a man wants to cut 3 lengths from a single piece of board of length 91 centimeter. The second length is to be 3 centimeter longer than the shortest, and the third length is to be twice as long as the shortest. What are the possible length of the shortest board if the third piece is to be at least 5 cm longer than the second? So first of all, assume that the length of the shorter piece be x centimeter and length of shorter piece is 3 more than the shorter piece. So the length of second piece be x plus 3 centimeter and the length of third piece be twice the length of shorter piece. It will be 2x centimeter. According to questions, we have given that total length of the board is 91 centimeter. X plus 3 plus 2x less than equal to 91. Adding these 4x plus 3 less than equal to 91, 4x less than equal to 91 minus 3, 4x less than equal to 88. So solving this we get x less than equal to 22. Take it as equation number 1. Next part is, if the third piece is to be at least 5 centimeter longer than the second. Third piece is 2x. At least greater than equal to 5 centimeter longer than second. Second is x plus 3. So add it 5 more, x plus 3 plus 5. So 2x greater than equal to x plus 8. 2x minus x greater than equal to 8. So after solving, we will get x greater than equal to 8. From 1 and 2, we get 8 less than equal to x less than equal to 22. So this is the last question of the exercise 6.1. Now it is time for home assignment. So these question number 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 22, 24. You will do at home on your NVs, and example 1 to 8 also solve on your NVs. If any students have any doubt, then you can send your doubts on my WhatsApp link. Thanks.